Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to dip our toe into the Numpy array. And as we learned last video, this is the standard import alias of Numpy. So what we're going to look at and we're going to learn is we're going to learn about the array method. So we're just going to build just a real quick, and just like our pandas library, we're not going to get into the nerdy stuff yet. We're going to do, then we're going to learn. So you're going to see what it makes, then you're going to learn what it's called. So we're just going to build it. So array, and we're going to give it a range of, let's give it 10 numbers. I'm going to close this out, and we're just going to print table. So we're going to run this, and we're just going to see what we get. And we get what appears to be a awesome list, but it's a NumPy object of what we passed in. And we're going to just start delving in and start doing some really cool stuff with this very, very quickly. But this is the first object we're going to make. We're just going to make an array. And this is how you go about doing it. This is your NumPy array method, and that's it. And again, one topic at a time. Not even going to tell you what this is called yet, but it's an array. We'll leave it there. All right. It's a little different, a little bit more sophisticated, and very soon we'll see what some downfalls. But we're going to start doing some really cool stuff. NumPy is extremely powerful. And we're gonna do some pretty cool stuff with the next time. So, real quick video today, just learning how to create an object, a NumPy object. So, all right, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.